This video I'm going to show you how to create an account on ClassDojo app. Just watch and follow this video till the end. Open ClassDojo like this, and it's going to open here on this login page here. So choose if you are parent, teacher or student. I'm a parent, for example. I click on get started and choose how you want to sign in. For me, we sign in with Google. I would just click on it and choose one of my Google account like this. Then it's going to take me to another page. So you have to create a new class and click, for example, create class like this. Click I agree. And that's all, guys. As you can see, you create an account on Dojo class. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and